we asked you on our Big Q what your thoughts were about the final Breeding Bridges Initiative report. Let's take a look at what you're saying. Javan Kinandi says enlarged positions won't help the common taxpayer, but bleed him or her to poverty. And he says he's watching from Sirwa Poster. We also have Apudo Kaka Josh, who says the BBI report is largely about solving political tension by adding as many seats as possible, which is in fact a burden to the taxpayer, instead of tackling the challenges bedeviling an ordinary Mamamboga. What is the essence of 90 senators and 2 deputy prime ministers? Nonsense, he goes ahead and says. And let's take a look at a final one. Kelvin Kura says the bill will favor the leaders and oppress the taxpayers. What is the need of having 2 deputy prime ministers? Seriously, a lot of your comments. And for weeks, we'll be talking about this, and the next coming days here at KTN News, we are dedicated to breaking down this report to you, giving you various views and reviews, various voices that are important to this for you to be able to make a very determined and informed decision at the end of the day. So keep it KTN News for that and more. I am Akisa Wandera. Sign language interpreter is Mirashal Witi. Have a